Hey, I'm Fletcher, and I'm from Minnesota, United States. I oversee the marketing department at Scale Selling. Our team excels in designing and executing comprehensive marketing strategies, including search engine optimization, pay-per-click, pay-per-view advertising, social media management, content marketing, workflows, website design and development. And at Scale Selling, our team is dedicated to delivering the best digital marketing services to our clients. Our North American-based team is committed to staying up to date with the latest training and digital marketing strategies by investing in themselves monthly. When I started working with Spencer at the age of 17, I wasn't making any money online or doing any online marketing for clients. Fast forward just a few years, and at just 20 years old, I'm closing six-figure marketing deals with some of the internet's most up-and-coming brands. I'm living my dream, and I couldn't be happier. We pride ourselves on our open communication and strong teamwork. We hold daily meetings and ensure that each of our clients has a dedicated weekly meeting to discuss their results and guarantee their satisfaction. Essentially our clients hand over everything digital marketing related, and we handle everything for them. It's 100% hands-off process for you as our client. My biggest accomplishment to date, and what I'm most proud of, is helping numerous businesses achieve their full potential through our digital marketing services. Seeing my clients' businesses grow and thrive as a result of our efforts is incredibly fulfilling, and nothing feels better than knowing that I played a part in their success. Now, I always thought that making money online would be my biggest achievement, but I've come to realize that the real reward comes from being able to help others achieve their goals. At Scale Selling, we are truly invested in the success of our clients, because if they don't succeed, we don't succeed. Now, by choosing Scale Selling, you are partnering with a team dedicated to driving real results for your business, helping you establish a strong online presence, and staying ahead of the competition. Now, our personalized approach, industry experience, and relentless pursuit of excellence makes Scale Selling the ideal choice for all of your digital marketing needs. Now, if you're ready to experience the impact of effective lead generation and marketing strategies to transform your business, do not hesitate. Join us at Scale Selling, and let's work together to bring your vision to life. Reach out to us now, and let's get started on scaling together.